Commercial microwave, 2100 watts. USB port for easy and consistent menu. Customization for multiple chain locations. Removable splatter shield and stainless steel air intake filter for easy cleaning. Stackable. 11 power levels and 3 cooking stages for different cooking demands. Top and bottom energy feed. Large capacity, 1.2 cu. Fort, 34L. Accommodates a 12 inches, 305 millimeters. Platter. Oven cavity light to monitor cooking status without opening the door. If you want to know more about this item, you can follow video description. Commercial microwave, 2100 watts. Large capacity, 0.6 cu. Fort, 17L. Accommodates a 12 inches, 305 millimeters. Platter. Oven cavity light to monitor cooking status without opening the door. USB port for easy and consistent menu. Customization for multiple chain locations. Removable splatter shield and stainless steel air intake filter for easy cleaning. Stackable. 11 power levels and 3 cooking stages for different cooking demands. Top and bottom energy feed. YBZS digital microwave oven. Frequency conversion microwave, baking, double-sided baking, frequency conversion fast roasting, frequency conversion thawing, constant temperature fermentation, 31 menus, cleaning and maintenance, intelligent heating, memory menu, grilled steak, grilled chicken wings, grilled salmon, kushiyaki, grilled sweet potatoes, toast, constant temperature fermentation, delicious and natural. Panasonic commercial microwave oven, table pan capacity, 2 in, tall, full-size pans with covers, door style, drop-down counter, see-through, oven door, yes, energy feed, yes, top and bottom. Z-Line 24 inches built-in convection microwave, kitchen timer feature, don't lose track of cook times. With the precision timer feature with a crystal clear LCD display, ceramic made and reversible turntable. The turntable can turn clockwise or counterclockwise and is constructed from ceramic for durability. Idea equipment, 1200 watt. Large capacity, 0.6 cu. Fort, 17L. Accommodates a 12 inches, 305 millimeters. Platter. Oven cavity light to monitor cooking status without opening the door. Scans barcode and cooks automatically. Scanning microwave. Set up oven using PC, Mac, instead of scrolling around display. Cosmo 24 built-in microwave, 1000 watts of power, with 11 power levels, cook meals with precise control and delicious results. Convenient presets, 4 automatic cooking options, including melt, soften, popcorn and beverage. Smart defrosting, effective defrosting with a wait or timed option. Defrosting rack included for added convenience. Z-Line 24 inches built-in microwave, easy-to-use screen display and touchscreen controls. Melt feature, worry-free melting of butter, marshmallows, chocolate and cheese. Illuminated and audible LCD screen. One-touch cook for quick and easy snacks. Control lock for added safety. One touch add 30 seconds. Auto settings include popcorn, melt, and beverage. Bosch 24 inches stainless steel microwave drawer. 950 cooking watts, 10 power levels. Automatic sensor programs. Touch open, close. LCD white display. It is stainless steel, so it will show fingerprints and smudges. Sharp 24-inch microwave drawer oven. Room to spare. 1.2 cubic feet interior offers plenty of cooking space, with room enough for a 4-quart casserole dish or a 20 oz beverage from your favorite coffee shop. Smart design. Auto touch key opens and closes the door automatically when your hands are full. Sensor cook technology. 11 sensor programs virtually eliminate guesswork from cooking and defrost times. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to know more, Check video description below. To watch more of our videos, subscribe and click bell button.